Skin growth factors might be the next best thing in the anti-aging space, next to the core 5 that we promote on this channel: a good cleanser, moisturizers, using retinoids, vitamin C serum, and sunscreen. Those are the proven 5 foundations of good skin health. But now we're stepping in the next frontier with biotech actives that tell your skin how to repair itself. But here's the thing, that same power that tells your skin to rebuild and renew has a dark side to it. Because when you tell your skin cells to grow, you're not always in control of what they're actually growing. So today we're breaking down the truth about growth factors, what they are, how they work, and how to use them safely, and whether they're even safe at all. We'll talk about the science, where it is, where it gets risky, and how to hedge against that. Here we explore healthy skin trends grounded in science, not hype. Our core 5 we discussed keeps your skin balanced, hydrated, and protected, but growth factors are the next weapon in your arsenal. They're clinically validated for improving skin youth and appearance, a true next level step in long-term skin resilience. Growth factors were first discovered in the 1950s through the 1980s, earning scientists a Nobel Prize for EGF, for epidermal growth. By 1999, Skin Medica had brought that science into skincare. Over the next 2 decades, brands like Neosudis and BioEffect refined it. And now there's even simple, cost-effective solutions like Ordinary's 15% growth factor that entered the market in 2025. Think of growth factors as text messages your skin sends itself. Tiny protein messengers that say, make more collagen, repair the matrix, strengthen the barrier. As we age, those signals fade, but topical growth factor serums can help reignite that communication, restoring the communication within your skin, especially when paired with retinoids. Here's where things get controversial. When you encourage cell growth, you encourage all growth, even theoretically the bad. And that means applying growth factors to cells like moles, dark spots, damaged areas. You might be stimulating cells that you don't want. So hedge your risk, apply it to only the areas that you think are healthy. Fine line zones like eyes, neck creases, and forehead. Avoid moles, actinic spots, or anything with a drastic change in color or texture. And if you have a history of moles or some kind of skin cancer, check with your dermatologist before considering them. So I want to mention 3 very popular growth factors. I currently only have 1 in stock, but we'll go with the first in the top tier. And then I have another one incoming that I may have shots of when we finally film this video from dermatology. So the first one is the gold standard original, which is the Skin Medica TNS Recovery Complex. Independent tests show similar improvements to the TNS Recovery Complex, making it a best value for performance. Now, this Ordinary 15% GF solution is a budget entry, plant engineered $15 1-ounce serum. It's fairly low risk to test growth factors to see how well your skin responds. I've been using it for the last week and I've been pretty blown away at the results. You can use growth factors at night or in the morning. If you use them at night, you use them after your cleanser, before your retinoid and your moisturizer. If you use them in the morning, you use them first thing before you actually apply the vitamin C serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Alternate your daily use to every other day initially and try it for 8 to 12 weeks and see how your skin responds. Growth factors aren't hype. They're clinically validated. There's real science, and I can tell you from personally using them initially, I'm quite blown away at how effective they can be. But with power, there is a dark side, and you need to be using them intelligently and be careful about the spots that you put them on. Use them as targeted and smartly, but be careful not to overuse them because there are some theoretical real risks. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, share, and check out some of our other videos on the channel. We have some really good content here around vitamin C serums, retinoids, best skin routines, best moisturizers. Thanks for watching. We made this far. We'll see you in the next video.